Okay. Workout. All right, next. You're gonna take a pastry bag, frosting bag, and ideally you have a round frosting tip, like that's below your waist. This this thickish. I don't have one of those here. So when I made these at Christmas time, I just used a Ziploc bag. You can do that. Just cut the corner off of it. I'm not gonna cut it yet. Okay, you want to ideally a taller cup than this, and you're gonna put your frosting bag in there. And then it's taller, you fold your frosting bag over, and it makes it so much easier to fill. Okay, so now we're gonna fill it. Sorry for my voice. I'm gonna cover this so that the egg whites don't dry out. Okay, we're gonna take this and you flip it over so that you're not eating marker. All right. This is probably going to be a mess. It will be a mess. So if it's the right consistency, it should come out pretty quickly. And it just might be messy. Not all of them will be pretty, so I give out my kids like it when there aren't pretty ones, because that means they get to eat them. Because they taste good no matter what they look like. Okay. Alright. Now, you're going to hold your bag at a 90-degree angle to the tray, and you're going to just hold your bag over the center of the circle and squeeze just lightly until it fills the circle, and then press down and lift up. We'll see. Okay, so they do spread, and if you notice that little tall thing in the middle, I don't know what to call it, it spreads out. So as long as your batter is thin enough and you do the mashy enough, then they will be smooth. If they're not smooth, then put your batter back in the bowl and mashy till they are. All right, and they're not all perfectly round. That's okay.
You didn't hear anything, okay? Got it.
All right, fold it in half, put it in your cup. And now, okay. This is the loudest part. So now you want to get the air bubbles out, because there's still air bubbles in them, especially we didn't mash them all out. So you see those air bubbles? So now we're just gonna bang it on the counter and maybe hold on to the parchment paper so it doesn't go flying. You're just going to bang it on the counter until the air bubbles pop. Move my phone. Alright. They're out. And then you let these sit for about 30 minutes. And they'll form a thin layer, like a thin film on the top. So after 30 minutes, we're gonna cook them.